Yo, yo. Looking juicy. Looking real juicy. I'm long from down here. It was a late one. It was like, maybe even here. Yeah, Monday night, so it was one of these. It was right after the SFP. So I didn't get in the SFP, I'm in up here. And I'm not selling myself short. I think we have, I think we're minimum, I mean, we're taking this high. Whether we have the rejection or not for the continuation, I don't know. But I'm telling you right now, 70,000, 72 is my true goal. You know, if not even higher, because I'm looking at it this way, right? We take this high, we should make an attempt for this high. But maybe something like this, and then we'll see what happens. Maybe, but give me a second. I'm gonna grab a cup of water. A cup of water. Let people get in here if anyone's interested. I'm gonna pull up my studio because I'm unprepared per usual. If anyone's interested. Oh yeah. This is perfect. I mean, if anybody missed it, you're gonna have a tough time chasing it. I think at least. But give me a second. All right. My wife got me a seltzer maker for my birthday because I just drink so much fucking seltzer. So let's make it. Hell yeah, brother. Cool. That's good stuff. All right. What are we looking at, guys? What are we looking at? What am I looking at? It's pretty straightforward. Money flow's making me think that we could have another down. But the question is where? Right? SFP. You know, we can either SFP this high and come grab some liquidity before we roll right back down and then go, right? I mean, hey, is the bottom in? I'm not too sure. Excuse me. I'm not too sure, but it's looking probable. Right? It's possible. I'm not going to say probable. It's possible. If we get this change of character, okay, if we confidently take 67.3, 67.4, 67 even, whatever it is. 67.300. If we confidently take it, guys, okay? It's the 4-day. On the 4-day, now, just take a quick peek, right? Come up, confidently, don't confidently take it, then confidently take it. But this is supply, so, or demand. If you look back, this cycle's very different, right? This up and down, it's very different. So even if we take this high, right, it does not mean we are in for a bull market. We don't. It doesn't mean that. But if you look, when we flip this, okay, now we're looking good. But it's not the 4-day that calls it, guys. It is not. It's the 5-day. Okay, ignore this guy, right? Because we have up, SFP, up again, and then we have the change that calls the bear market. Okay? Excuse me. Got an itch. Same thing here on the long side, right? Down, 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 down. Barely take it. Now we have a good flip, okay? Now we're looking bull. Let's go to current, or somewhat current. Don't confidently take it, SFP. SFP, confidently take it, right? They're not giving it to us easy. Let me zoom in more for you. Let's look at the weekly. See, SFP, but we don't have a retrace in the weekly. We have it on the 5-day, so boom, 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 boom. Confidently take, a little bit of retrace. It barely taps into supply on a lower time frame. When I say a lower time frame, you know, I'm not talking like a 1 hour. I don't remember if it was a daily, a 2-day, 16 hour. It was something like that. Ooh, my toast is done. Did we even take this? Am I looking for nothing right now? Did we take it? Oh yeah, we did take it. See? We took it. Boom. There you go. Daily. So we tapped our toes in, right? We did what we're supposed to do. Whether you got in and liked it or not's a different story. But we got in. So if this breaks, okay, let's double back. If this 67,000 is taken confidently, full candle close, on the 4-day, okay, which closes in 10 hours. End of today it closes. All right, so maybe today we take it. Who knows? Maybe if we take this high, boom, I'm looking for a potential big TP for my short here, or long, too short, and then to get long again somewhere in here, and then I'll look for the same here if we don't take it. If we do take the high, okay, if we do take the high, right, we take one high, and then, you know, it's something like this, and we just take it, I'll be looking for shorts here, okay, plain and simple. Now you go up in time frame, now you're looking at the 5-day, I'm going to look at the weekly. Looking at the weekly, you confidently take it on the weekly. If you do, and we start going short, okay, you know, this could be exactly what I'm talking about here. For Gigalong. For Trump just did some shit, and we're off to the races. Because that's what would cause it. I'm telling you, it is what it is. I mean, just this dude is, love him or hate him, he doesn't give a shit. He doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about me. He cares about the country as a whole, in my opinion. And he doesn't care who he offends doing it. He looks at everyone as just another person. No one's on a pedestal. Maybe he's on a pedestal, but that's okay. He's the president. And he's mixing shit up. So as long as he's in office, I'm very optimistic. I fear for when he's not, when he's all done. What the hell's going to happen then? Because that's when shit will hit the fan. Big money may pull their money because he's going to be out and they're not going to know what's going to happen, especially if the right is not reelected. If the left side comes in and there's fear of everything being Biden again, aka brought to shit. which it was. You can't tell me it wasn't. With that being said, right, level 167 zone. I'm just gonna pull. Yeah, I like that zone. All right. With that being said, where are we looking here? Well, let me tell you something. What? Boom. Oh, sorry. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Good. Okay. Let me get rid of this. Let me draw nice and nice for you. Nice and nice. Okay, this is our structure. Now this is our strong low. This is our weak high. Okay, now you see it. Now you don't. Will that fix it? No, not by my rules. No. So, it doesn't matter. Either way. But we're still working on an SFP, guys. We're working on a weak break here. I'm not too worried about it because of, let's go to the hourly. You'll see it on the hourly. This little bull flag we're putting in, right? This is just liquidity accumulation for potential higher. Granted, we can come right back down into this guy. Let me get rid of this. We can come down here. We can come way down here for them potentially to go up. If that is the next move, we won't know until it gets there. But this is liquidity accumulation. That's what it is. This is called a bull flag. People call this bull flag. Why? Because there's people getting long here and they're getting wrecked, and longs are accumulating here, big dollar longs, for that bigger move, right? They stop at the gas station. They're picking up jet fuel. Potentially. Partially. Market opens in 3 minutes. Okay, so this is what I'd be looking at for a long if you're not in already. How did I get on my long? Well, bullish divergence, money flow is starting to come up a little bit, right? I mean, it's not the daily. Let's go down to the 4 hour now. Okay, I'm gonna assume I got in somewhere over here. Let's see. Yeah. So we have bullish divergence, right? Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. Money flow crossover. Okay. So you know it's probable, let's back out a little bit, that we're going to continue up. Now we're in a range, right? I know that if we do not take said low, this is a bounce zone. Fair enough? So we come down, we don't take it, we flip, we go. Oh look, we rotate down. Remember, this is Friday now. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, come down, Asia Monday, boom, takes it all back. This makes a lot of sense. You gotta do your own research, but it makes a lot of sense. So now what? Now we came back down, we grabbed all this last week's liquidity, right? Because we came down, then we came up, then we came down. It's accumulating, guys. It's grabbing liquidity. It can't just go up and up and up and up forever. It can, I guess, in theory, but it needs to stall. It needs to grab liquidity to continue. It needs fuel. It needs to stop at the gas station. You are the gas station. You are the attendee. So we come down, and we're looking, right? What did we... Yeah, this one. Not really. I don't love it. Yeah, that would be it actually. Okay. So here we are, and we come down, and we flip, and we get up. Now, it's tough. It's tricky because we're in a zone. We flip bullish. We have bullish divergence. Money flows coming around. The higher time frames are agreeing. We flip bullish. Well, we come down. We SFP. Then we go. How could you have gotten this trade? Well, what did we not do? We did not retrace. So now that we retrace, now that you see that SFP with the bullish divergence, right? Yeah, it's only a 3 minute. It doesn't freaking matter, right? Let's circle this. That's bullish. Go to the 5. That's bullish. Come on, guys. Right? Top down. 24. Does it agree? Where's my circle? Where's my circle? Well, either way, bullish divergence. This is probably hidden bullish. We'll see. And then we have it here again, right? Right, and this is probably a little retrace. Yeah, see, look at this. Hidden bullish divergence for the big go-ahead. And this is where I got in. Well, I got in here. But if you didn't get in here on that S&P, because I got in after softball Monday, so it was after 10 p.m. Yeah, 11, 12. Yeah, I didn't get into bed until after 12. So, right, we're coming up. SFP, remember, if we don't take said low, we go up. And just doing your top down, it looks it. Now, what are we doing here? We're going here, boom. Low, lower low. Low, higher low. We got hidden bullish divergence. A lot of times, that's indicative of a big move. Whether it's for the short or the long, it doesn't matter. It's indicative. You need to understand that. Okay? Right? Now look, we're putting in bearish divergence. Money flow's coming out. It's only the 15-minute, guys. Get over it. Right? Hourly, bearish divergence. Money flow's coming up, though. Money flow's coming up. That can tell you a couple things. All right, well, yeah, I guess we are looking to go up, potentially. But maybe it'll be lackluster, right? Maybe we'll SFP this high at 65.6. That's a terrible line. And we'll have our retrace then to then maybe continue. But, right, look at the 4-hour money flow. Fuck that red dot. Look at this money flow. Look at this curvature. Right? Bearish divergence, bearish divergence. Oh, wait. Boom. Right? Hidden bullish divergence. I can't stress it enough. It's right there. It is right there. That's why I'm holding. Excuse me. And that's why I got in where I did. Right? Because I didn't get in down here because I was busy playing softball. We got the flip on a lower time frame, down S&P, higher time frames, like look at the 5, look at the 30-minute, guys. Right? Look at it. Bullish divergence, money flows coming up. Right? I got in around here because these are the SFPs. Boom. It's right there. It is right there. Hold on, let me work on this toast here. Yee. Hell yeah. Alright. Toast. Butter's melting, baby. Now what? Where's some long locations? Right? Figure the retrace for the long. Figure the failure to take said high for a short. And up here. You gotta ask, you can't know. You gotta know. You gotta, oh, you gotta be quicker than that. And that is literally all I have. Literally. It's that simple. It's not that simple. But that's all I can really show you. That's all we can talk about. Because we're at a location that the move's already played out and continuing to play out. And I don't think right now we're coming back down to 63,000 until this move is fulfilled. We may. Who am I? But anybody who thinks we're definitely coming back down, we got the bearish divergence to potentially support it, but the money flow is looking a little firm, man. It's looking a little juicy. So if we were to do anything, I could see this, maybe grabbing this liquidity to then come back up. I don't know if we're going to come back down to 63. Okay. It's looking bottomish to me. All right, guys, that's all I got. So, I'm not going to beat around the bush. Get in, get out, be done. Appreciate anybody who stops by. I know I've been very inconsistent, but been super busy. And I just do this for fun, so kick rocks if you don't like it.